everybody. In this video, I will tell you, once you have downloaded Zoom, how will you attend a Zoom meeting without signing up and signing in. See, now I will go on the Zoom application. When we click on the Zoom application, this page in front of us will appear. Now I can see three options: join a meeting, sign up and sign in. We still have not signed up and signed in, so you have to click on the option join a meeting. For example, I will go on my WhatsApp. Somebody has sent me a Zoom link over there. Also, if you will be able to see below, there's a meeting ID and even a password. How will you be able to join a meeting without signing up and signing in? This I will be showing in my video. But remember, if you do not use the option of sign up and sign in, then you cannot schedule a meeting or share your screen on the Zoom. There are limited features that you can use without signing up and signing in. Thank you.